We have a really special GTO. It is born like you see it. I have the Pontiac Historical documentation, including restoration documentation. This car was born red, HO motor. That's a 400 360 horsepower, 4-speed, 355 posi. This thing's loaded up with some nice options, and again, it's documented born this way. Nut and bolt body off frame restoration, numbers match. That is the motor that came with this car. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this GTO. Or you can scan this QR code and it'll bring you right to the car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this one's special. An HO 4-speed, and to find out it's born like this, it's all really good stuff. Very collectible car. The hood looks amazing. Got the GTO scoop, the fender, all this looks great. All this is looking really nice. Way down the side, the long Coke bottle design, it's all straight. Gaps are nice, smooth, no rust, no damage. No vinyl top either, just all beautiful red. Look how nice the jambs are. Shuts like new. Quarter panels, the sail panels, the roof, the body is all excellent. All this is looking dynamite. Here's a crack in the paint right here. That long, there's a crack. All this is slick, beautiful. Regimental red, I believe, is the name of the color. All clean, all real nice. Sail panel, doors, no door dents, no rust or damage. There are little imperfections in the paint, and you gotta look for them. I mean, tiny, tiny little pimples. Like there's a little area right there. There's a few places it has that. Here's an area up in here where it has some of those. I tell you, nobody's gonna see them. They're so tiny, you're not gonna see them unless you're looking for them. You will know they're there. Anyone that walks up on the car, especially a red car on a sunny day, it looks like red glass. So up front, it has the stacked headlights, all the chrome's redone, correct T3 headlamps, the correct wire grill, the bumper, all that was redone. I think this restoration is about 15 years old. I'd have to look again in the receipts. It is pinstriped, and I don't think that's tape. That's painted on pinstripe from what I could see. Correct antenna. There's just a list of parts that they ordered for this car. I remember seeing the antenna in there, the correct one. Windshield was replaced. All the moldings, vent window frame, all that was redone. Here's some more little pimples right in this area right here. All the moldings, door handles were redone. The metal door edge guard, it's NOS, new old stock. He paid $200 or $300 just for those. The emblems, the rocker moldings too were several $100s. The bumper, tail lights, all this is looking really good. All the trim, all the moldings. But what a beautiful car. Again, all red, factory red, no vinyl top. It came with redline tires. Now these are really nice. I think they're from Coker. They're reproduction, like the bias ply look, but they're actual radial tires that look like a bias ply tire. It has the restored Rally 2 wheels with the correct lug nuts and the red. It just all looks fantastic with this car. Also has a remote mirror. That's an option. All right, why don't we open it up and continue the tour? All right, let's look inside the trunk. Well, the underside of the trunk lid's painted. It has the stickers. Jambs painted real nice. Has a weather strip replaced. Inside, all nice clean metal, neatly spatter painted. Has a jack and spare assembly. The mat, the housings look clean. The wiring looks like it's been replaced. Even the back of the seat panel looks like it's replaced. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new cars are posted, new videos. The jambs are really nice, and look at the latches look new. Look at those door edge guards I was telling you about. The weather strips are replaced, sill plates are replaced. Complete reproduction interior, so the door panels, armrest, window cranks, handles, all that's replaced. The metal trim was all painted neatly. So the whole instrument panel is replaced. You can see the shiny chrome, the nice wood grain, and this has rally gauges. So it has a tachometer and all the gauges. Heater controls, knobs, all look great. In the paperwork, this is a reproduction stereo. It looks just like the AM/FM radio, but it's a stereo, and it is Bluetooth according to the paperwork. New dash pad, got the GTO emblem with the grab handle for the passengers when you're slamming through the gears. Again, here's some of the paperwork. I'll be posting some pictures on the website. I'll definitely put the Pontiac Historical papers on there. Car is from California. It's got the California plates. So kick panels, knobs, all that's redone. Reproduction floor mats over the fresh carpet. I could tell immediately when I sat on the seat, they've been rebuilt. They're nice, firm like a drum. It does have original seat belts. Back here, same thing. All the trim, the floor mats, the carpet, the seat belts, all looking good. Oh yeah, it's firm too. Side panels, armrests, window cranks, all redone. Correct mesh speaker shelf. Sail panels are not wrinkled. This all replaced. It's all tight as a drum. Working dome light. Replaced visors, the mirror. As a reproduction, deluxe steering wheel. So the wiring, everything's been done in this car. Complete body off frame restoration. So I told you this is the motor that came with this car. In '67, they didn't have VIN number matching. But on the Pontiac Historical papers, they have an engine unit number, which matches what's stamped on the front of this engine. And I will put pictures online. So that unit number is for this engine only. This is the motor. And not only that, we checked all the dates and the codes, and it all lines up properly. So it is the HO motor. Correct carburetor, it's even numbered properly. Correct air cleaner, open element, distributor, everything looks proper. It has HO exhaust manifolds. These are different than the regular exhaust manifolds. It has the 670 heads. Now look at the firewall, all nice and clean. Reproduction ribbed hoses. Even the spark plug wires are in the right holders. All clean metal. All looking good. All this metal's real nice, clean, smooth. Reproduction hose and clamps. The power steering, reproduction battery cables. Spark plug wires are reproduction. They're dated properly. Power brakes, wiper motor, wiring, all that's redone. The squirters are hooked up. It has underhood insulation. So real nice restoration. Michael's going to show you how nicely it runs and drives.
Everybody, one hell of a GTO here, let me tell you. High output 400 under the hood, factory rated at 360 horsepower. Supposed to be rebuilt to factory specs, as is the Muncie M24 speed. Started up real easy for me. It seems to run nice. Seats feel like they've been restuffed. Are nice and comfortable. And good looking too. Clutch feels just fine. Stroking it through these gears is nice and easy. Let's see what she's got. just like that, we are cruising just above 60 miles an hour. Nicely put together ride. Good solid frame off restoration. Alright. And don't forget, you know, you guys can come down, test drive the car for yourself. We'll even put it up on a lift in our shop for you. Or if you're not so mechanically inclined, we would encourage you to go ahead and get a third-party inspection, which we could recommend a couple guys to you if you are not familiar with any. But that sort of thing's always welcome. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So it is body off, frame restored. Every nut and bolt, clip, clamp, everything under there has been redone. This car was ordered with the ride and handling suspension. And again, all of that rebuilt and restored and detailed. It does have disc brakes in the front, drum and back. E-brake is all hooked up, all the cables, everything looks fresh. Fuel system was replaced. The exhaust is a Gardner exhaust. It's correct. And for some reason on the GTOs, one muffler was bigger than the other. I'm sure there's a reason for it, but why Chevelles and the other cars didn't do that, I don't know. But that is the correct exhaust system. Looking up at the motor, it's all nice and clean, the proper starter. The 4-speed is also dated 1967. That is correct for this car. It's a Muncie. All rebuilt. That's the other thing too. The engine's completely professionally rebuilt with like hardly any miles on it. The transmission was just rebuilt. It has a rebuilt drive shaft that goes to a rear end that was just rebuilt. 355 safety track gears in there, and it's the original rear end. YH code is stamped on it. So numbers match: motor, trans, rear, colors, HO, 4-speed. This has got a lot going for it. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get your GTO delivered home to your home. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.